Hi people, welcome to the 14th part of the statistics series. In today's video, we are going to discuss the concepts of hypothesis testing, type 1 error and type 2 error. Firstly, let's define what hypothesis is. A hypothesis is an explanation or assumption of a given event that may or may not be true. For example, sales are down due to higher pricing or an employee left because of their boss. For further details about hypothesis testing, please watch my previous video on the same. Now, in hypothesis testing, we have two types of hypothesis, the null hypothesis and the alternate hypothesis. The null hypothesis H0 is the hypothesis that we are testing to reject or disapprove. On the other hand, the alternate hypothesis HA is the hypothesis that we accept if we reject the null hypothesis. Moving on to type 1 error, it is also known as false positive error. This error occurs when we reject the null hypothesis when it is actually true. For example, in a court trial, if a defendant is not guilty but was declared guilty by the jury or judges, the probability of making a type 1 error is denoted by alpha. Now, let's talk about type 2 error, which is also known as a false negative error. This error occurs when we fail to reject the null hypothesis when it is actually false. For example, in a court trial, if a defendant is guilty but was declared innocent by the jury or judges, the probability of making a type 2 error is denoted by beta. These diagrams will tell you clearly about type 1 error and type 2 error. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Also, if you feel you need an explanation of type 1 and type 2 error even more, let me know such that I can make another video on the same. In conclusion, as analytics or data science professionals, it is crucial to have a thorough understanding of these concepts. By doing so, we can ensure that we are drawing meaningful insights from the data and avoiding making false conclusions. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Share and subscribe for more.